Hey there, this issue of Schoology tools about student recording in Schoology. Now we know we can use tools like Flipgrid to have students record responses, and Flipgrid's very fun. I also like to pull it into Schoology and use it, but it's nice to have multiple different ways to do this, and it's nice that you have 3 ways to do this right in Schoology. Why do we want to do student recording? It's a great alternative to pencil and paper. You might have kids that will record themselves talking for 30 seconds or a minute about a topic rather than responding to a question. It's also engaging and authentic. It's hard to replace in-person learning, but video is about as close as we can get to it. So it's a nice way to have students respond. There are 3 places I mentioned you'll find this in Schoology. And that's in assignments, discussions, and assessments. Now, you know, as a teacher, you can post video updates. However, these are the 3 locations that students can simply click that little microphone and record their audio or video back to you. Let's take a deeper look. So as I come into my course as Johnny Schoology, I have an assignment here called a personal narrative. Now I call this traditional submission because it's not a Google Drive assignment. It's just a normal Schoology assignment that you make and you tell the kids to submit. And normally you have a submit button over here, but mine says resubmit because I've done this several times. So as a student, this is where you would submit your document, submit your Google resource, submit whatever it is. But I want to show you the video tool as well. If I come over here to the right of my assignment and click the submit button, in this case resubmit, right here under upload I have the little microphone. I can click, I can choose audio or video, and I can actually record. I'm using my microphone and camera right now to record you, but I could actually record my audio or video right there and submit it and upload it back to my teacher. So that's one way. That's an assignment. Now let's look at the other way we can do this. Discussions are kind of nice, and it's not the same as Flipgrid, but in Flipgrid the beauty is other students can see your responses. Well, we can kind of do the same thing with discussion too. If you post a discussion, you as a teacher can record a prompt, but when the students go to comment on this discussion and post their comment to a discussion, there's that microphone tool again. Click it, I have audio and video, I can record and turn that back into the teacher. So that's 2 ways, discussions and assignments. So let me show you the 3rd way. And I believe Schoology just added this 3rd way this summer. As a teacher now, if you make an assessment, the blue puzzle piece. So let's go into one of my made assessments here. And let's show you this question type. Now I'll just take this slope of a line one because I'm just going to show you from the teacher standpoint anyway. But when you come into question type, you'll notice there's a question type in here called audio and video. And what both of those do is it gives you a record button so students can record their audio or they can record their video. So that's 3 ways. Quick recap. So we can make assignments where students can record themselves. In assignments, they click submit, they click the little microphone, and they can submit an audio or video right back to you in Schoology. Discussions are nice because other classmates can see your submission as well. So the teacher gives a prompt, students click the microphone, and they can record a video or audio response to the discussion post. And then finally, assessments. To use the blue puzzle piece, there's a audio question and there's a video question. When you add this type of question, you add the question, you add the prompt, students are able to record themselves. Obviously, you have to grade that one because the computer doesn't know if their response is right or wrong, but they can record and submit video or audio response right back in that assessment. So student recording in Schoology, 3 different ways. Enjoy.